Embolden runs favourite. Starter Happy lets them go, and the Sailor from down towards the inside was one of the first to get going, and Dream Face is going to match it with him. And they've kicked out by a length to Embolden, who's rattled into third spot. Ready, Steady, Betty the outside of it. Jabawi Gold in a lovely spot over on the rails, running fifth from Lucid Reflection and Pereduki. Further out on the track was Fire Drake covering ground. New Bolt the inside of him. 3 lengths away, Sense of Sun. Bold Lion is next to last, and Far Horizons is last of all. Dream Face led the way at the 500, about a half length. Ready, Steady, Betty, who strode up on the outside and worked into it. U-Bolt running a race for a big priced horse. He's quickly worked to third. Emboldened is battling, so is the Soldier. In front, Dream Face. Ready, Steady, Betty comes hard the outside. U-Bolt at any old price is running home well. Emboldened can't come on. Now Jabawi Gold into the clear is running home very solidly. Dream Face stopping. U-Bolt got to it, but Jabawi Gold's going to get them both, I think. No, U-Bolt's holding on. Jabawi Gold can't pick up the roughie, and Jackie Berryman wins it on U-Bolt from Jabawi Gold, who flashed to the line. Close for third, Sense of Sun, Dream Face and Bold Lion. Break then, Lucid Reflection. Ready, Steady, Betty had every hope. Emboldened.